Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. Today, we're going to demystify database design and development in a way that everyone can understand. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, this video will help you grasp the basics of databases. Let's get started. A database is an organized collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Think of it as a digital filing system that stores information in a structured way, making it easy to find and use. Databases are crucial for storing and managing large amounts of information efficiently. They're used in almost every industry, from healthcare and finance to retail and education, to keep track of data and support decision-making processes. Data modeling, creating a visual representation of the data and its relationships. This helps in organizing and structuring the data effectively. Database management systems, DBMS software tools like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server that are used to create, manage, and manipulate databases. Tables, the basic building blocks of a database, where data is stored in rows and columns. Relationships, how data in different tables is connected. Common relationships include one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Normalization, organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve efficiency. Requirements analysis, understanding what data needs to be stored and how it will be used. Data modeling, creating an entity relationship diagram, ERD, to visualize the database structure. Database design, defining the tables, fields, and relationships based on the data model. Implementation, using a DBMS to create the actual database. Testing and maintenance, ensuring the database functions correctly and making updates as needed. Healthcare, managing patient records, appointment schedules, and treatment plans. Finance, tracking transactions, customer accounts, and financial reports. Retail, inventory management, sales tracking, and customer data. Database design and development are fundamental skills that help organizations manage their data efficiently. By understanding its basics, you can appreciate how data is stored, organized, and used in various fields. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Info Guruji for more tech insights. Join our community by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Visit our website for more in-depth articles and tutorials on database design and other tech topics.